Do you know these top 10 shortcuts that 90% of people don't know? We're not just talking about any shortcuts. These are hidden gems that save you time and boost your productivity. They're straightforward, easy to understand, and frequently missed. Hold on to your seat to uncover top 10 shortcuts you'll wish you knew sooner. Prepare yourself for a mind-blowing reveal. Starting with our first shortcut. Imagine being able to cycle through open windows on your computer with just a simple stroke of keys. The Alt+Tab shortcut does just that, boosting your productivity and saving precious seconds. That was just the beginning. Prepare to be amazed. Moving on to the second shortcut, a nifty little trick that can save you oodles of time. This one lets you navigate through open tabs with ease, making multitasking a breeze. Isn't that interesting? But we're just getting started. Now, let's dive into the third shortcut. This clever little trick can save you a heap of time. Used correctly, it can streamline your workflow and make your tech life much easier. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And we're not done yet. There's more to come. Here comes the fourth shortcut, a hidden gem that will transform your tech life. This shortcut is like having a secret superpower, boosting your efficiency and saving you precious time. I bet you're starting to see the value in these shortcuts. Halfway through, let's move on to the fifth shortcut. This smart little trick can save you a surprising amount of time. It's like having a secret key to the digital world, unlocking efficiency and ease. We're halfway through our list, and the best is yet to come. Let's dive into the sixth shortcut, a real time saver. This one's a gem, streamlining your workflow by eliminating repetitive tasks. Imagine the hours you could save, the productivity you could gain. It's all about working smarter, not harder. See how these shortcuts are starting to add up? Moving on to the seventh shortcut, let's unlock the potential of your clipboard. Ever heard of clipboard history? It's a hidden treasure that allows you to access your previously copied items. No more recopying. Efficiency. Thy name is shortcut 7. Hang tight, we're almost there. Now let's explore the eighth shortcut. This nifty trick is a lifesaver for those who juggle multiple tasks. By using it, you can effortlessly switch between applications, saving time and boosting productivity. So don't underestimate this hidden gem. We're nearing the end, but not quite yet. Let's uncover the ninth shortcut. This hidden gem lets you toggle between open applications swiftly, saving you clicks and precious time. It's as simple as pressing Alt and Tab together. A real game changer, isn't it? Just one more to go. Finally, the 10th and last shortcut, a real game changer. It's a quick way to access your favorite apps, saving you precious seconds every day. By using this shortcut, you can streamline your digital experience. That's it. We've covered all 10 shortcuts. To recap, these are the top 10 shortcuts that most people don't know. Each one of these hidden gems holds the power to streamline your tasks and amplify your productivity. Thank you for watching. Remember, the more shortcuts you know, the more efficient you become.